I kept him for a year and then released him. Never struck at me once. You going back in your house?
Looks like it. Later, dude.
It's got to be neat, though. You turned a hobby into a business.
Yeah, I mean, it still feels very much like a hobby. The videos are what have become more the business side of it. That's where...
He went to sleep on your lap.
Yeah, he did. Lazy bum.
Chewy. Sound asleep. Oh well, so much for activities. Huh. Carla's got a lap snake.
I think I'm stuck here.
I think you so, yeah. I think Chewy likes you a lot.
Anytime I come in the door, he's freaking trying to get out of there.
They do. They love to greet people. Is your girlfriend here? So that's no way to act. You get on her and fall asleep.
Am I that boring? He's definitely...
Is he wrapped all the way around your back? Yep.
Yeah, his tail's over here.
Okay.
That's why I said I have
So
a
I'm
sleep.
anchored. I went to sleep.
Yep.
I'm good.
He's got his nose in the fur on my boot.
Yeah, can't you tell he wants to get away from you? Yep.
He seems so discontented.
He's tolerating you. Can't you tell?
I guess I'm not that insufferable after all.
He woke up finally.
Yeah, I can't feel my left foot because the
board
of
on the
bed is
front,
digging
yeah.
into the back of my knee and cutting off.
He's awake.
Where are you
Well,
going,
that
pal?
was a quick power nap. A good-
I can't rely on my left leg to hold your weight up right now because I can't.
His
Get
heat,
back to huffing, huh?
his heating pad should be back up to warm now. It was chilly.
You
just
trying to
bare-
go home?
It was just barely. He'll go in there when he's ready. Yep, he's going home.
Or he's going to get the kitty cat. Or back to sleeping on my boot.
Aim him toward the door. He'll go in. Says I'm too far away.
Where are you going, pal? No, we're not taking out everything on the desk. I'm sorry.
He's
Don't look at me
so
like that.
he's so determined to get on my computer desk
Don't
lately.
look at me like that. Listen, you big heffalump.
Half a lump.
There you go.
So I'm ready to go home. I had a power nap. Mama turned up my heating
Got
pad.
his tail looped into my pants pocket.
Does he?
Yep.
Sneaky.
Well, he had his tail wrapped all the way around me, so I think it was his security.
Yeah. There you go. Back home. You don't need to put the stopper in there. He doesn't try to go anywhere.
Where's he gonna go?
Over here to harass
It's
me.
not like he's got suction cups to pull the glass open. Could you imagine?